Hey friends, if you wish to add, edit and manage favorites on your Microsoft Edge browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now here's the thing. We have bookmarks on Firefox and it's easy to find that, and it is actually easier with Microsoft Edge. Just click on the star-like symbol here and expand the favorites bar. You'll see all your favorites here. Now to favorite a page, just go to that page and click on this option to favorite it. Okay, it has become favorited and this star will turn blue. This star is different from this star. This star shows the favorites and this one makes the favorites. Or you can click on it once again and remove the favorite. So all the favorites are going to show in the favorites bar, and there is an option for other favorites as well if they have been imported from a different browser. This is how you can add, remove and manage favorites on Microsoft Edge. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.